Less is more nga naman, so one-page resume is enough. Tara, mag-update tayo ng resume webstudes. At dahil nasa Macau tayo, sundin natin ang format dito. First, your photo must reflect your current appearance, including your hair, attire, and eyewear. Next, you need to state the position you want to apply for and a short summary about yourself. Of course, your personal particulars must be included. This contains your full name, your nationality, birth date, gender, birthplace, languages you speak, height and weight, marital status, passport number, contact number, your Macau address, and email address. Sa birth date, dahil nasa Chinese country tayo, uso dito ang feng shui. Sa languages and height, wala namang limit, pero may ibang position na highlight ang dalawang ito, so it really depends talaga webstudes, kaya ilagay nyo na lang para sigurado. Next is your education background and work experience.